Come here. Be honest. Wait for me. Express yourself. Let's talk. Celebrate success. Stand up. Learn from mistakes. Look there. Be yourself. Open the door. Never give up. Close your eyes. Practice makes perfect. Smile, please. Save money. Eat slowly. Use kind words. Run fast. Be grateful. Jump high. Keep trying. Listen carefully. Make a wish. Speak softly. Take a break. Read aloud. Enjoy the moment. Write your name. Speak up. Sing a song. Chase your dreams. Dance with me. Face your fears. Think first. Share a secret. Be quiet. Explore new places. Follow me. Choose happiness. Touch gently. Challenge yourself. Share with others. Be a good listener. Brush your teeth. Stay organized. Sleep well. Be generous. Study hard. Create memories. Give it a try. Embrace change. Ask for help. Believe in magic. Count to 10. Stay curious. Say thank you. Trust your instincts. Apologize sincerely. Find joy in little things. Hug your friend. Accept differences. Be kind. Inspire others. Say sorry. Seize the day. Wave.
Goodbye.
Be brave. Take a deep breath. Let it go. Stand in line. Choose love. Take turns. Live in the moment. Be patient. Laugh often. Choose wisely. Stay humble. Stay positive. Be positive. Hold my hand. Dare to be different. Show respect. Keep it simple. Finish your meal. Choose your battles. Clean your room. Value friendship. Stay calm. Share your feelings. Share your toys. Be mindful. Believe in yourself. Face challenges with a smile. Give a high five. Believe in miracles. Pick up trash. Take a chance. Watch your step. Celebrate uniqueness.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.